Twitch ads are probably the second best way to deter people coming to your stream chat from staying around for good, the number one obviously being a boring stream. If you didn't know, I stream over at twitch.tv/YourBoyDanny, links over here somewhere. Go check it out, and let's get into the video. Twitch ads are typically 30 seconds long, and they run when you join a stream of a Twitch affiliate or partner that you are not subscribed to. One of the biggest complaints from the Twitch community is that streamers are unable to turn their pre-roll ads off completely. Now you might be thinking, why would they want to turn off their ads? It earns the money, doesn't it? Well yes, you're correct, it does. But it earns so little that it's hardly a benefit, especially if you're a smaller streamer and it's just a big nuisance, and as it makes a lot of your potential viewers leave before they've seen you or what you do. Well Danny, come on then, why are you telling us that? There must be a solution, right? There is. And yes, there is a solution to this problem, however it's only partial, until Twitch finally steps in and gets involved themselves. Of course, one thing that would work is to just not be partnered or affiliated on Twitch. But that's not really a suitable solution, is it? So what can you do? You can go to your Twitch affiliate or partner settings in your creator dashboard. You can turn on disable pre-roll ads setting, as that means when you run a manual ad, it sends the pre-roll ads off for a certain time, meaning if you maximize the use of running manual ads, you can have a large amount of time without pre-roll ads, where viewers have an easier time getting into the stream. So an example would be running a manual 30-second ad will disable pre-roll ads for 10 minutes for anyone coming to the stream, and running a 1 minute 30-second ad will disable pre-roll ads for 30 minutes. Note that running manual ads does have a cooldown, and it's unpleasant for the viewers. Try not to run too many, otherwise they might leave. After all, they're there to watch you, not ads. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, please do drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can come back next time, and also don't forget to leave recommendations in the comments for future videos and what you thought of this video. If you think I improved from the last video, then please do tell me that. I'd really appreciate it, and see you next time.